Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a graphical user interface form using Tkinter library file in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos, leaving a comment, machine problem, and most importantly, you support my channel by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So graphical user interface in Python is much easier if we are using Tkinter library file or Tkinter. So we have here from Tkinter import asterisk. It is a built-in library file in Python. I'm using pycharm. So root tk parentheses root, this is our object here, geometry. The size is 600 by 300. Root title hello world, or we want to change this one if we want to, graphical user interface in Python using Tkinter. Okay, so say suppose false, and then to execute root main loop. That's it. So let us save, and then we will run our program. Run GUI. So as you can see, we have already a GUI form, no, graphical user interface in Python using Tkinter. So that's very simple and short lines of code. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create graphical user interface in Python using Tkinter. I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please like, share, and then if you are new with my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.